There's a new airdrop you don't want to miss. FTLB is giving away exclusive Genesis NFTs plus a share of $50,000 in rewards for their early Pioneer campaign. I'll show you everything you need to know, what FTLB is, why this airdrop matters, and the step-by-step how to participate. Don't skip this one, early users could get massive rewards later. FTLB is a new Web3 project focusing on next-gen decentralized infrastructure. You can position it as a layer 2 or infrastructure protocol depending on final details. Their goal is to faster transactions, lower gas fees, and better scalability for developers and users. Recently, they announced their early Pioneer campaign through Galaxee, one of the most trusted platforms of Web3 requests and airdrops. Backed by growing community hype, meaning early participants may get an advantage before the project goes mainstream. The campaign offers two major rewards: exclusive Genesis NFT, limited edition given only to early pioneers, plus $50,000 in FTLB rewards shared between participants who complete quests successfully. And if you don't know, Genesis NFTs often provide early access to mainstream launches, priority for token airdrops, and exclusive community perks. Historically, Genesis NFT holders in projects like Starknet, Linea, and Layer 0 gained huge benefits when tokens launched later. So let's join their Galaxee campaign here. You need to enter app.galaxee.com that I have put the link in the description of the video to our Telegram channel, and all the links of the airdrops are provided for you there. You can get the new updates about the projects. So first ones first, you need to connect your MetaMask. If this is first time you joining the Galaxee, you need to add Gravity Alpha mainnet to your wallet. In order to access that, you need to come to chainlist.org, and here you can write Gravity, connect your MetaMask, and you can add this. And you need to click on Add to MetaMask, approve this, and already added to your MetaMask. And here, if you come to your MetaMask, you will see that you have 0 G tokens, but we can get some G tokens here from this part. You can buy G on chain, on SEX, or via fiat, or even you can bridge other tokens if you have to G tokens, so that you can come and claim the badges and NFTs in the Galaxee. For example, here I have about $8 in Ethereum on Base and want to bridge that to G token. So here you can come and select Base Ethereum. It will show your balance as soon as you connect your wallet and connect. Here you can see in the Galaxee website I can acquire about 100 G tokens just by $1 of Ethereum on Base. So you can here just click on exchange and that's it. And about the gas, it's a half a cent, less than a cent, and you can see that here, and that the gas is less than 1 cent. And here you can confirm so that you can have G tokens and use G tokens in the Galaxee website. It says that exchange is successfully completed. Everything is okay now. We are on the Gravity Alpha mainnet here. And if you couldn't connect, you can reload the page, or you can try and disconnecting from this section and connecting again. And that's all. Now we want to follow FTLB on Galaxee. You click on follow. After that, it says follow us on Twitter. And also for that, you need to bind your accounts, connect Twitter, connect Discord account, GitHub, and also verify your wallet address via email. For that, you come and connect your Twitter. After that, you post on the Twitter. Let's see the post. Now you can copy the link, come here, paste the link here, paste it and verify if you haven't already connected, so that you can connect here and authorize. Done. And now we can come back to this website, click the connect button. Here you need to follow their Twitter and come back. Then you have to verify yourself in their Discord server. That's pretty easy job. We're gonna do that. Then it needs to visit their Telegram channel. For getting verify in their Discord channel, you need to click on verify and solve this CAPTCHA. Got the verified role. You can go and write a GM if you want, or type in their general chat. Then come back, and here you can get the role. About the Discord, we have this task that says message in FTLB Discord general chat for at least 1 day. So you can come here and talk in their general chat section. Of course, if you come to the role section, you can see the new roles that have added to their servers, so you can obtain them. For general chat, you come here and you write something, anything, you can write that. Just like this. So we need to go back there. Okay, that's all. And here we can claim 1 OAT plus 150 points. First, we are gonna claim this one. Here, for claiming this one, it needs about 1 cent, and for claiming their points, it will need GG points. Choose claim directly. It comes to your MetaMask. That's it, guys. And if you have any problems claiming this NFT, you can change the RPC. You can change the RPC of your wallet to the RPC gravity.xyz. Because claiming with the official RPC, it sometimes gives an error, but you can choose this one in your wallet if you have any problems claiming the points or OAT here. So that's it, guys. Subscribe and hit the like button for this video, and also turn on the bell icon in order to get informed about the new projects and be an early adapter. If you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comments. See you guys, and bye-bye.